Homemade KFC chicken Basmati Biryani recipe, finger-licking good. Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're going to show you how to make homemade KFC chicken Basmati Biryani. Yes, you heard it right. It's the perfect fusion of the world-famous KFC chicken with the aromatic flavors of traditional Basmati Biryani. So, let's dive into the ingredients you'll need and the step-by-step preparation. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button, multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and ring the bell for more delicious recipes. Let's get cooking. Ingredients for KFC chicken: chicken pieces, bone-in, 500 grams. Buttermilk, 1 cup. All-purpose flour, 1 cup. Corn flour, ½ cup. Paprika, 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Onion powder, 1 tablespoon. Dried oregano, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, ½ teaspoon. Cooking oil for frying. For Basmati Biryani: basmati rice, 2 cups, soaked for 30 minutes. Cooking oil, 3 tablespoons. Onion, sliced, 2 large. Tomatoes, chopped, 2 medium. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Biryani masala, 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped, 1/4 cup. Fresh mint leaves, chopped, 1/4 cup. Yogurt, ½ cup. Salt to taste. Preparation. For KFC chicken: marinate chicken in buttermilk for at least 2 hours. In a bowl, mix all-purpose flour, corn flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried oregano, salt, and black pepper. Coat each chicken piece in the flour mixture, ensuring they are well covered. Heat oil for frying and fry the chicken until golden brown and cook through. For Basmati Biryani: in a separate pan, heat oil and sauté sliced onions until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Stir in tomatoes, biryani masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and the oil separates. Add yogurt, mint, and coriander leaves. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. In a separate pot, parboil soaked basmati rice. Layer the cooked KFC chicken over the biryani masala in the pan. Top with the parboiled rice and sprinkle garam masala on top. Cover and cook on low heat for 20 minutes until the flavors meld. And there you have it, homemade KFC chicken Basmati Biryani. A mouth-watering fusion that's sure to impress your family and friends. Homemade KFC chicken Basmati Biryani offers a delightful combination of flavors and textures, and it comes with several benefits. Customizable ingredients. 1. When making it at home, you have control over the quality and quantity of ingredients, allowing you to choose healthier alternatives or adjust the spice level according to your preference. No preservatives or additives. 1. Unlike store-bought or restaurant versions, homemade biryani eliminates the need for preservatives and artificial additives, promoting a healthier meal. Fresh and high-quality ingredients. 1. Using fresh chicken, vegetables, and aromatic spices enhances the overall nutritional value of the dish, providing essential nutrients and antioxidants. Lower sodium content. 1. You can regulate the amount of salt in the recipe, helping to reduce overall sodium intake compared to commercially prepared biryanis. Healthier cooking methods. 1. Choosing healthier cooking methods, such as baking or grilling the chicken instead of deep frying, can further reduce the dish's calorie and fat content. Balanced macronutrients. 1. With a combination of protein from the chicken, carbohydrates from basmati rice, and a variety of vegetables and spices, homemade KFC chicken basmati biryani offers a balanced mix of macronutrients. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow foodies, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more exciting recipes. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy cooking! Thank you very much homemade KFC chicken basmati biryani lovers.